What is the soul? What makes up the soul? Can it be quantified? Or is it more? My soul is infused with the places I have been, the people I have met, and the beliefs I hold true. It lies deep in the lush forests of India, surrounded by culture, color, and creativity. It embodies the Ubuntu spirit and vibrance of Africa, my birthplace, my home. It roams wild and free, like the island spirit of Mauritius, the land of my forefathers. So what then is my soul made up of? It's not just one thing, it's all of them, and much more. My soul is a goddess. My soul is diverse like my South African community. My soul is prolific like the culture of India, my roots. My soul is fierce like the Lord Shiva, embodying strength and power. My soul is adventurous and free, tethered only to the spirit of the ocean. But most of all, my soul is proud, and so am I, to be the woman who stands before you today. Welcome to my NYX Face Awards Round 2 look. Lovelies, and welcome to my round 2 tutorial. So to start with, I did the chest art, and I first used my primer and then of course my SFX cream colors in the shade blue and fuchsia. I then went ahead and used a yellow shade from my Swear By It palette. And of course, the most important part, setting it all before I continue with the art. So at this stage, I was just using an eyeshadow primer so I could go ahead and sketch out the outline of the Taj Mahal before I went ahead and filled it in. I then of course went on to fill it in with the aforementioned eyeshadow primer before setting it with a white NYX eyeshadow shade. So yeah, these steps are pretty much self-explanatory. I'm just going in with different shades of eyeshadow that I've shown on screen and I'm giving the building some depth, some shadow, and some dimension, of course. So while I finish the Taj Mahal, I'm just going to chat to you guys about why I chose this particular monument. So I've actually traveled to the Taj Mahal twice in the last few years, and each time I'm left as in awe and breathless as the first time. So I am amazed by this building for many reasons, but mainly for the creativity, the pure level of workmanship, and the love that it represents. And for me, this is a building that is extremely close to my heart, and it really represents my culture and my heritage, and it was something that I just had to include when I saw the brief or was Proud Soul. It was something that literally popped into my head first thing, and it was something that was really close to my heart, which is why I wanted to put it on my chest. So we of course have moved on to the face, and I decided to work from the top down. So I'm starting off again with my SFX cream color in the shade red, and going in with a couple of eyeshadow shades to give me that nice sunset transition and create the background for my next piece of art. So as you may have guessed, and if you haven't, then this is the gorgeous skyline of Cape Town, Table Mountain, Lion's Head, Devil's Peak, and of course the iconic Ferris wheel in the waterfront. So Cape Town has been my home for the past 9 years, and I've had so many wonderful experiences, so much of growth and development here. And for that reason, Cape Town will always hold such a special place in my heart and in my soul. Just before you think I'm crazy for using 3 different brow products, I am using 3 different shades so that I can get the perfect gradient for my brows. Okay, so next I'm starting to outline the statue of Lord Shiva, and to do that I'm using my matte suede lip liner in the shade Little Denim Dress. And then I'm going ahead and using my matte suede lipstick in the same shade to just fill that in and give it a nice even pigment. I chose this particular image of Lord Shiva not only because he is a deity who represents power and greatness as well as protection, but also because this particular statue sits at the Grand Bassina Sacred Lake in Mauritius, and Mauritius is the home of my forefathers on my mother's side, so it's always been something that has been very special and dear to my heart and to who I am as a person. So because I had actually put so much of color in the rest of my look, I wanted to kind of keep my eyes almost a neutral gradient. So instead of making them a bright color, I just went ahead and did a simple cut crease that kind of turned into a bit of a smoky gold eye. And ta-da! The look is complete. I just added a little bit of tribal patterns on my lip and in between my eyebrows just to bring in the Africa Queen spirit that I was channeling. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I just want to take a moment to say thank you for the support and the love that I've received throughout this NYX journey. I am so grateful to every single one of you. That being said, if you enjoyed this tutorial, if you love my look, if you like my skills, I would appreciate your support so much. Voting is now live on the NYX website. I have included the link in the description box below. Until next time, my beauties,